When designing your first sales funnel, you spend all your time on the landing pages, the sales pages, the checkout pages, all the stuff that happens before you actually get money, right? But in reality, your thank you page after the sales process is completed can have some really amazing benefits if you optimize it correctly. And in this video, I want to share with you 6 different things you can add to your thank you page to make it convert higher, reduce your refunds, and make you overall more profitable and more loved by your customers. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Hey guys, John here from IncomeMesh.com, helping you find the perfect tool for your next project. And if you want to skip all the do-it-yourself stuff in this video, I'm going to share with you, there's a link up here, and there's also some down in the description of my completely designed out ThriveCart template that's going to include all of these elements. If you want to get access to it completely for free, simply purchase ThriveCart through my affiliate link. I'll get a small commission. Thank you for supporting the channel, and you'll get access to it immediately after your purchase. Okay, so let's go and waste no time. The first element you should definitely include on your sales page is a welcome video where you thank them for your purchase, as well as reminding them of the benefits and the features of what they're about to get into. You want to make sure if they've just gone through that purchase process that they remember what it was they bought, because on the thank you page, they're probably going to see the total of what they spent. And so to combat any buyer's remorse and any fear of them wanting to refund or something like that, or like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of money, remind them the benefit, why they made that purchase, reinforce it, and welcome them and make sure they feel like they're in the right place. Element number 2, and this should also be on your sales page as well, but element number 2 is remind them how to actually get their content. Is it simply an ebook where there's a link down below on the thank you page for them to access their book? Are you going to email it to them? Will they be given access to a membership site? What are you expecting them to do? Remind them that there. It's a great place to do a step-by-step list. Hey, here's the next steps for you to do. 1, 2, 3. Again, all that is inside the template that's provided for you if you use my affiliate link for ThriveCart. Element number 3 is you want to give them an overall roadmap. This is best done in both the video as well as in text down below on the same thank you page. You want to remind them what they should be doing next. Are they supposed to dive in immediately? Is there some pre-work they should be doing? Where should they be at in their journey before they dive into the next steps? And if you can provide a graphic, maybe like a flow chart of what's to be expected next going forward, that can simply help you get off on the right foot and eliminate any confusion that can often happen on the other side of a sales funnel. People focus so much on the actual getting of the sale that they blow up all these wonderful flowery graphics and images before the sales process. But when they get on the other side, it's like, thank you for your money. And you want to make sure they don't feel left kind of holding the bag or not knowing what to do next. So that roadmap is very valuable. Element number 4 is you want to make sure, even if you've done everything 1 through 3 thus far, and you think something is absolutely no-brainer, nobody's going to have issues with this, make sure it's clear on their thank you page and on their invoice where to go to get support. And ThriveCart makes this very easy because they just give you buttons right there on the thank you page that says contact support. And whether that sends them to a help desk or if it sends them to an email address, whatever you need to do, they make that very easy inside of ThriveCart to do. But if you're using another platform, which is totally cool as well, you want to make sure that it's clear on their thank you page and in the emails that you send them after the purchase is done. How do they get support? What is the support email address? Where do they go? And what should they expect in response time? Is it 24-hour support response time, 48 hours? Especially if somebody just gave you money and they feel like they don't have the thing they bought, they're going to expect a pretty quick response. So if you can combat that and make sure they know what to expect, it should reduce your worry a lot. Element number 5 is if you have a community like a Facebook group or a Slack channel or even just like Zoom group coaching, how should they get access to that? If all your course does is sell information, it's still valuable, but what can be even more valuable is if you help be the connector to send people with other like-minded individuals, whether they're entrepreneurs, whether they're dance instructors, whether they're photographers, and bring them together in a community. If you're doing recurring revenue, like a monthly mastermind, the community is what's going to keep them staying month in, month out. And if you're simply on that refund period, maybe you're in the first 30 days of the purchase, having a community to help guide them through and answer their questions and make them feel like they belong there is very much going to reduce your churn and your refund rate if done properly. So make sure it's clear right front and center how to access the Facebook group, the Slack channel, whatever your community mechanism is. And lastly, number 6, and this works wonderfully if it's a pretty high priced product, is you can make a sales pitch on the thank you page on how they can recoup their investment by becoming an affiliate to promote your product. Now, this is kind of like a little reverse psychology, but let's say, for example, for easy math, you give a 50% commission to affiliates if they sell your product. So if they just bought a course for $1,000, they're out a pretty good chunk of change, right? But you can also use that as an opportunity to create some pretty invested students, because not only do they want to get their money back by referring people, if you make it clear it only takes 2 people to get your money back, and here's all the ways that being an affiliate can help you be more successful inside of the course, you can use that as a sales process to get highly motivated affiliates helping sell and promote your product. So there it is, guys. That's 6 different elements of a higher converting, more optimized thank you page in your sales funnels. If you want this sales funnel for free, that includes the sales page, includes the checkout page, it includes the upsell page and the thank you page with all of these elements included, simply sign up for ThriveCart using my affiliate link. It's incomemesh.com/ThriveCart. This is what the funnel looks like. You can get it now for free. It's available. It's ready to go. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.